So hello, this video shows the experiment of horn antenna radiation pattern measurement, where you can see the setup with the similar kind what we have seen in the last experiment. So again we have one power supply, then followed it with one Klystron oscillator, then one isolator, of course with one cooling fan, and the isolator is followed by one frequency meter, and then we can see two bends where your horn antenna is connected, and this is the transmitter part. So if you switch on this power supply, this Klystron oscillator will generate a signal with a frequency of 8 to 12 gigahertz, and it will transmit the signal through the isolator and through the frequency meter and through this rectangle waveguide towards this antenna. This antenna will radiate the signal in some direction, and this setup shows the receiving antenna which receives the signal which is transmitted by the transmitter antenna. So how will you measure the radiation pattern is, first thing, connect this, switch on this power supply, generate a signal. So instead of this antenna, we have to connect this detector mount which is used for detecting a signal directly to this bend, and fix a value for the signal or magnitude of the signal. We have to fix it. This is the maximum magnitude which is we are going to transmit using this antenna. So fix a signal and make sure this is the signal we want to transmit using this antenna. After fixing the magnitude, without interrupting any setup, just disconnect the detector mount from the setup and replace it with the antenna. So the antenna will radiate the signal which we are transmitting. And in the receiver part, the receiving antenna will be connected to a rotating section where you can see a scale inside with which shows the angle. If you rotate the antenna, automatically the angle will be varying. Okay, so by keeping it at 0 degree, the antenna should be in line with the transmitter antenna, and the antenna is connected to a detector mount which is directly connected to a VSWR meter. So VSWR meter will give you the different values which is received by the receiving antenna. So in terms of dB, the values measured in this VSWR meter will be in dB. Okay, now how the readings will be is, first initially you keep this receiving antenna in line with the transmitting antenna and mark it as 0 degree. Okay, and this in this direction, this receiving antenna will be receiving maximum signal, and this VSWR meter will give you maximum reading, and mark it as 0 degree and the magnitude, and go on rotating the antenna in clockwise direction with 5 degrees each step. So 5 degrees and measure the value, 10 degrees, 15, 20, up to some 90 degrees. Okay, so take some 5 to 10 readings clockwise, and again in anti-clockwise direction 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 up to 90 degrees. So when you move from 0 degree towards 90 degree, the signal which you receive in the VSWR meter will go on decreasing. Okay, so if you take a complete 360 degree rotation, you will get the radiation pattern of this transmitter, or you can say it as a receiver. So since antenna is a reciprocal device, you can take either the transmitting antenna or the receiving antenna. So here the receiving antenna is our test antenna or the device under test. So after the complete rotation from the measurement, mark the values in a polar sheet, so we will get the radiation pattern of the entire antenna.